Got some more parts from Cobb Tuning. Let's see what we got. Nice. Here we have the coolant overflow cover from Cobb. It's gonna dress it up nicely. And then this little doohickey. This is the Cobb air intake bracket that will help keep the air intake from flexing while I'm smashing the gas. Unveiling the Radiator Shroud from Cobb Tuning. I'm excited about this. I will say I've bought several things from Cobb Tuning. They make an absolutely stunning product. Check that out. I'm impressed. They make such good products. So happy so far. So today we are dressing up the engine compartment on the Gen 2 Ford Raptor. As you can see right now, it's pretty well stocked underneath the hood, other than the Cobb Cold air intake, of course, which by the way is absolutely awesome. I can hear the turbo spool so much better. No complaints. Engine's a little dirty because I work this thing like a dog. Stay tuned. We're about to make this area look much better. This area right here tends to flex like this whenever I'm smashing the gas or racing somebody. So I have a part that's going to eliminate that flex, keep that from happening so we can keep our airflow consistent. And then also we are going to do a radiator shroud in this area. And then we're going to do a coolant overflow cover. It's going to dress it up nicely. Stay tuned. Going to install the radiator shroud first. And in doing so, you must remove these little plastic clips. A couple ways to do so. I personally just use a flathead. Give a little twist. It's okay if you damage them because Cobb provides all new ones. So as you can see, I have removed all of our little clips. This actually will pop right out now. And now that the shroud is off, you can see it is quite dirty under there. I'm going to give it a little spray, clean it up, and then put the new shroud back on. Okay, one thing I did notice is on the front clip, this front grill area, there are some little bolts here. We do need to remove those bolts. They will go back in, so you want to keep them. So, getting the shroud on, also getting a little intake bracket on, a little tricky. But look, Cobb even sends these little screw collars that have a C on it for Cobb. So awesome. They really make a high quality product. Very pleased. So just wanted to note that Cobb Tuning also includes these little foam pieces. It's actually one long piece that you can cut and put in. What you want to do is you want to place it where it makes contact with your radiator so you don't hear any vibration noises. It also has a little rubber seal that you're going to put along the outside that meets closest to the front of the grill. This is critical if you don't want to hear any vibrations. So here is the Ford Raptor after we have installed pretty much everything that Cobb makes for this thing. We got the Cobb intake bracket, Cobb cold air intake, the Cobb coolant overflow cover, and of course the Cobb Tuning radiator shroud. It looks stunning. Way better than it looked from the factory. It was pretty boring under there before. Very pleased. If you have a Ford Raptor, I highly recommend Cobb Tuning.